Hey guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieve my flat twist. It's pretty easy and pretty simple. I'll try and show you as much as I can. And yeah, let's get into this video. So I hope you guys don't mind my nieces being in the video. They refuse to leave, so yeah, they'll be part of the show. Now, I usually like to part my hair in sections because it helps, of course. You can do it in 2 or in 4, whatever you prefer. Then I usually use a moisturizer for my hair. Sometimes it's a bit dry, just want to get it nice and moisturized. Next, you part a smaller section and then we start the flat twisting. So here you can see I take 2 pieces and kind of twist it under and over. So you take the left braid and you pass the finger under and then you twist it to the next side and you continue that same motion. I'm going to show you guys again in the next part. So 2 braids and then you go under and over and you just keep switching it from one to the next, grabbing more hair as you go down. It's a bit tricky at first, but the more you practice and the more you do it, it gets easier and you become quicker as you go along. So with the ends, I just twist it and then I put it into a bantu, and that creates even more curl pattern in the ends. So when it comes to the sizes of the flat twist, honestly, it's just your preference. You can do them small, you can do them medium like mine's, or you can do them big. From my experience, I would suggest a medium to small. So not too big and not too small. The bigger it is, the tighter you'll have to do the flat twist because it's more hair to handle, and the smaller it is, the more frizz you'll get when you're taking out the flat twist. So like a medium size like mine's, even a bit smaller should be fine. So it's the next day, guys. I used some oil on my fingertips when I was unraveling the flat twist, and I suggest you do that because it helps with any frizz and it minimizes any extra frizz that you would have. And you can use any oil, coconut oil, castor oil, almond oil. It honestly doesn't matter. Just take it a bit easy when reaching to the ends so you don't get any knots or tangles. So guys, this is the results, the final results. I'll come in a bit closer and just show you how it looks. The back. And so yeah, this is basically the final and the end result. The longer you leave it in, the shorter the curls. So I really like to do these hairstyles when I'm going out. So this typically can last me at least a day or two. I don't like to leave it out too long because then it gets dry and frizzy. So tell me guys in the comment section, what do you think? Do you like it? Is it a yes? Is it a no? Do you have other styles that you do if you want to achieve some curls? And also don't forget guys to subscribe and turn on your notification posts. And yeah, next week I'll be posting some more videos. So I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Until next time.